Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Ohima Capable. So it's another video. I'm doing well. It's been a while, and this vlog is going to be a fun vlog because I'm going to Miami. Yay! For the first time, I'm going to America, and I'm so excited for this fun trip, this fun holiday. And the most important thing, and then the most part of this, is I'm going on a cruise, on a Virgin voyage, and it's very interesting. Like, I can't tell you everything until I get there, then you can see for yourself. So make sure you stay tuned on my videos, watch till the end, and also I'll be posting part 2, part 3. It depends on how fun it is, because I'm going for 10 days. So got served this. I don't know what that is. It's the potatoes and chicken. I don't know. Then we get this bread. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm in Miami International Airport right now. I just arrived, and the weather is so nice. It's lovely. It's actually warm, and I'm loving it. As you can see, I've taken off my jacket, and I cannot wait. So I am actually here for the Virgin voyage, which is the Virgin cruise. So I came a day before just so I don't miss it because of maybe flight delays and stuff. So I'm getting a taxi to my apartment for the night, and then tomorrow I'll be heading towards the port to catch the cruise. Yeah, so right now I'm still at Miami Airport trying to figure out if I need to get a taxi to the Airbnb or get a bus, you know. Got a taxi to this place, and I was charged $24, yeah, for the taxi. So it's just a mini small room. It's just a small room, mini small room with a TV. Got your mirror here. I've taken my wig off, so I don't want to show my face. Yeah, so I've got my stuff here, and then home sweet home, the remote for the TV. And then again, this is a wardrobe, and in case I want to use the bathroom, I'll have to go outside. So that's the hall, that's the living room. So cute. And the bathroom. So that's the bathroom. I love the decor. I love the interior decoration. So cute. So I'm not here all by myself. I'm here with the family that owns this house. Yeah, so that's their kitchen, and they've only given me the bathroom and then the bedroom to use. So I'm only sharing with a family here. So this is the neighborhood that I'm lodging. I found this place through Airbnb. This place is cute. It's so cute. It's such a nice, cute house, and it's so quiet. The weather is lovely. It's like summer, actually. So cute. Hello the beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. It's day 2 of me being in Miami, Florida, and today is an exciting day because today is the day I'm going on the cruise, on a Virgin voyage. So I've left my Airbnb apartment, and now I'm at the port, I think so. I think that's the right name. I'm at the port. So this is where all the cruises are for people to get on and explore the Caribbean and other places around. So I'm going to show you. I'm just here right now. I haven't checked in yet. I'm still waiting to check in because I'm so early. You know me, I'm always on time. I always make sure I get to the airport or wherever I'm going an hour before or 2 hours before if I'm traveling. So I'm so early. I'm super early. Just, you know, now I'm just going to show you like around the port. I hope I'm, you know, saying the right thing. I think this is the port, yeah, because this is where the ships, all the cruises are. So I'm going to show you around. Place is so huge. Like, it's very huge. They've got terminals. So this is terminal V. This is terminal V, and I'm getting on that cruise over there, the Virgin cruise. So they've got a lot of terminals around here. Like I said, this is just one terminal. This is terminal V. That's another cruise over here. This is also huge, but I'm not getting on this one. I'm actually getting on the Virgin one. Yeah, so this is terminal V. We've got this cruise, and then if you go further down, they've got lots of cruises around. So it depends on which terminal you're going, and mine is terminal V, which is this one that I'm getting on. Honestly, I'm living my life. I'm living my best life, and this, I can't wait to get on it. You know, the vlog is going to be so long, so I will try and do a part 1, part 2, and maybe part 3. It depends on how fun the cruise will be. So yeah, they've got different terminals over here, just like at the airport, because it's so huge. It's super huge. Really like excited to be here, and I can't wait to be on the cruise, honestly. So let me just get inside and I will show you. When I get inside, that doesn't mean I'm getting on the cruise, because I can't get on the cruise just yet. I'm not checked in. I'm just waiting. I'm just trying to buy some time, waste some time, because I still have a lot of time to get on it. So this is where we do the check-in. I've done an early check-in. I've got my wristband. So this is the wristband that I will be entering my room, and you know, other stuff, like in case I want to buy something, this is the wristband I'll be using. So I've done the early check-in. I'm still waiting to get on it, which I have a lot of time. Guys, so because I'm too early with my check-in, there is this van that the Virgin Voyage, they also provided. So in case you are too early for your check-in and you don't have anywhere to go, there is this free van. It's entirely free that you get on, and then they take you around town, to restaurants, to anywhere, like, you know, you want to go around. And when it's time for us to get on the cruise, then they will bring us back. So check it out. Leaving the port at this minute to go around town to get food. Well, I wanted it back. Yeah, I know, but you better stay near where I'm going. After we get there, we're staying. Well, something like that.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine, baby.
Over there, and we're walking around, so most people also got the van, so yeah, everyone is just walking around trying to get food, explore the city, and then we can go back after. So I'm just walking here trying to get some souvenirs or some stuff for my little brother and sister. No, thank you. It's actually beautiful here, and the fact that this place is summer is actually crazy because I know it's really cold right now in the UK.
¿Tú grabaste? No.
So this is downtown Miami. That's like where all the shops, the markets are. So guys, we are back from exploring the city, and now we are getting on board. Yay! Everyone is so excited. So now we are back from, you know, whatever that we did in town, because they took us to town to explore, and we are done. It's time to get on board. How exciting!